This is not a test. Immediate threat for residents of nearby counties. Please stay indoors. Lock or bar all entryways. Avoid using devices that emit light or loud noise. Enter a room with no windows. Effective immediately. That was the message that interrupted my TV show. I was sitting on my couch halfway through dinner when the screen froze. The alert filled the room with a harsh buzzing sound. I looked outside. The sky was clear. No rain, no wind, no thunder, nothing. I turned the TV off, assuming it was a mistake. But then my phone buzzed, and then my neighbor's phone, and then every phone on the street, all with the same warning. I stepped outside. So did everyone else. That was the message that interrupted my TV show. I was sitting on my couch halfway through dinner when the screen froze. The alert filled the room with a harsh buzzing sound. I looked outside. People stood on their porches, staring up at the sky in confusion. No clouds, no storm, just silence. Then I heard the siren. A police car rolled slowly down the street. A voice echoed through a loudspeaker. "This is not a drill. Please return to your homes immediately. Do not remain outside." No one argued. We all went back inside. I locked my doors, turned off the lights, and took my dogs down to the basement. I packed food, water, batteries, a flashlight, anything I could think of. I called my brother. He lived only a few blocks away. He had received the alert too. We agreed to stay put. Hours passed. There was no storm, no rain, no wind, nothing, just silence. Eventually, exhaustion took over. I fell asleep on the basement floor. When I woke up, everything felt wrong. It was still dark. My clock said it was afternoon. I hadn't heard a single drop of rain. I tried calling my brother again. Straight to voicemail. I decided to go upstairs. I cracked the basement door open just enough to look. The house was completely dark. All the lights were off. The TV flickered for a moment. Then every screen in the house flickered and went dark. I looked out the front window. Every house on the street was dark. No lights, no movement, no people. Except for one. A teenage girl stood on the sidewalk across the street. She wasn't moving. She wasn't looking around. She was staring directly at my house. I stepped back from the window. My phone buzzed one last time. A new alert. Do not look outside. Do not respond to anyone. They will try to imitate us. I turned off my phone, and I stayed in the dark, listening, as something knocked gently on my front door.